cam. I love starting the vlog off like this. I'm here with my dad. He's somewhere back there. I just dusted him. We were stuck behind that truck for like 10 minutes, and my dad's a little anxious to be passing like I pass cars. So I took it a little easy. So as soon as I had a gap, I just sent it. And hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's a gorgeous Tuesday. You couldn't ask for better weather. I'm gonna slow down for my boy back there. And today, I think, is the day that I'm gonna actually let my dad ride my victory gunner. I told you guys recently about the story of him backing it out of the garage, which led to him ripping it down our back road and losing his hat. So today, I'm going to the Kill Cam Speedway. There shouldn't be like any cars out there today. It's 1 o'clock. So I'm just gonna do a bike swap with him, see how he likes it. I know he's gonna love it. Ah, it's gonna be a good one. That smile on his face after that little ride was so priceless. So I'm assuming today he's kind of, I wouldn't say he's hoping for it to happen. I don't know if it's on his mind. He might be in one of those moods where it's just like, no, not today, son. Or hopefully he's in the mood where he's feeling kind of like a badass. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna send the gunner. If he passes me on my own video, the gunner's a faster bike. But if he passes me with my own bike on my own video, I may cry. Let's take this turn a little hot. Slight heat, slight heat. Oh, he's on it. Oh my God, that sounds so good. Oh, he's on my bike. This is gonna be awesome. You guys, I finally did it. I have my dad on the gunner on open road. We're on the Kill Cam Speedway, so it's a perfect place for him to test out the gunner. Welcome to the Vulcan. I called this girl Jelly Bean, my dad's bike. I don't think you guys have seen these levers. Pretty cheap, I got them for him. They don't feel the greatest without gloves, but the action, like the way they actually feel while shifting, feels perfect. So that's what you get levers for, besides look. So the black looks kind of cool. And I want to see how excited he is to be on this bike. At first he said no, and I was like, are you sure? And he was like, okay. I don't know if he didn't think I was serious or whatever, actually letting him ride, but I have no problem letting my dad ride my bike. He lets me ride this all the time, so it's only fair. I know he's gonna love it. He's gonna rip on it, and like I said, if he passes me on my own bike, on my own video, I'm gonna cry. I haven't been on little Jelly in a minute. I forget how flickable she is. So much lighter than the gunner. For those of you coming up from a bike like this, a 650 or something smaller, I wouldn't be too intimidated by the gunner. Just know there's a lot of low-end torque, and do not burn yourself on those pipes. I have a nice calf tattoo that I got for free just from roasting my leg on it for like 2 seconds. But other than that, you're going from a bike like this, very flickable, very lightweight, maneuverable fun, to a bike like that, which is more planted to the ground. Your feet are a little bit farther forward, and I like that. I like being a little bit farther forward in the turns more, and I like scraping all day. I have not scraped the Vulcan yet, which I still am kind of upset about. I'm not that professional yet. Maybe one day, but I want to see if he likes it or not. I'm gonna let him get used to it for a little bit before I make him test it. Seeing someone else on my bike, I've let one of my friends ride this before, but just seeing that color and just how it sounds, this thing looks so mean. Let me get this side angle. Oh, that thing's so clean. I don't care what anyone says. Cruiser at 22. That thing looks awesome, sounds amazing. It's my bike, I love it. Simple as that. Alright, we're gonna give Jelly Bean a little send real quick. Full throttle. Can't get any more open. Oh, 80? Come on, Jelly Bean. I expected at least 180 out of you. Oh, dog, get out of the road, bud. What are you doing? Get out of the road. Go home. I can't believe I got my dad on the gunner today. Mission success. He said he really enjoyed it. He was smiling the whole time. I asked him if he liked it, and his face said it all. Smiling from ear to ear. He looked a lot more comfortable on it than the first time, when I think the first 2 gears scared him. When you come from a bike that only has 650 cc's onto this thing, which is a fat, big V-twin, and he absolutely ripped the first 2 gears. Like when I say ripped, I mean like what I tried to do when I launched it, he did while rolling behind my house. I heard how loud it was, and his face was priceless then. He felt a lot more comfortable on it today. He said he really enjoyed 3rd and 4th gear. He likes how planted you feel compared to his bike. He said he was going to get a bigger bike one day. He said it with a straight face. I'm assuming it would be the Scout, or if it takes him like another year to get really comfortable into riding, it might be a brand new bike I've never seen yet. So I'm excited for that. I'm glad he jumped on it today. The gunner looks so good from 3rd person. I've let my buddy ride it before. It's really cool to hear it. Like, hear it from behind. This thing is ridiculous. And my dad wasn't even romping on it too hard. I'm glad he's happy. He said he hates the pipes though, so when you come from a bike like that onto a bike like this, you just gotta be careful of these pipes, because they will burn you, and they will burn you all day. They do not care, and it's such an awkward spot. I think one day Shorty's aiming down to the ground, just straight like slash pipes to the ground. I think that would be stupid loud, and hopefully I can spit flames and I will never burn my legs again. It wouldn't even be for the look. Someone would be like, why'd you cut your straight pipes? I can spit flames, dude. What are you mad about? I'll be at Hooters. He's like, wow, you got a Victory Gunner, not a Harley? And I'll be like, oh, you want to see flames? I got you. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this road, so scenic, so beautiful, much wow. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Glad I was able to get out here with my dad. I'm just gonna go cruise. That bump hits me all the time. Did I lose my dad off that last rip? Oh, it's still back there. Hey, you guys go enjoy the rest of your day. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. At KillerCamR6 on Instagram, KillerCam on Facebook. Go check your boy out. KillerCam out.